Originally, this was one of the ingredients for oden, Japanese hot pot, but over time, people started enjoying it outside of oden, and the seasonings become bolder, almost like teriyaki. Let's get started. With just a few ingredients, you can make one of the most comforting Japanese snacks at home. First, let's prepare the aburaage. Aburaage is a tofu that thinly sliced and deep fried until the moisture cooks out, creating this light, puffy pocket. To open it easily, place it in a paper towel and gently roll our chopsticks over it. This creates the space inside without tearing it. Then carefully cut one side with a knife and slowly open it into a pocket. Next, place one piece of mochi inside. To keep it closed, secure the opening with a piece of dry spaghetti. You can also use toothpicks, but spaghetti works just as well, and you can eat it too. Now place them in a frying pan. Add soy sauce, mirin, and sugar and water. Cover and let them cook on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Flip them over and cook for another 3 minutes. Cook until the sauce becomes glossy and the mochi inside turns soft and stretchy. Transfer them to a plate while still warm. The outside is juicy and savory, and the inside, the mochi stretches so beautifully. Simple, comforting, and seriously addictive. You're gonna love this. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!